I've got a 36 roll bag of these Rhodes dinner rolls, and I've got a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm just gonna pour it all over these rolls. It's gonna be an amazing side dish for your next brunch. And just make sure all of the dough balls are covered in oil. And then you're going to set this aside for about 2 hours. Take a look at how it poofed up. Okay, we're gonna get a little bit more of the vegetable oil. Pour that all over the top, but just be careful you don't spill any off the side. This is only proofed. It's not baked or anything. All of this dough. See, look at that. All that dough is so soft, not ready to eat yet. Make sure that all those little rolls, those rose rolls are mushed together. To that, we're adding some raspberry pie filling. You can use any kind of pie filling that you want. I'm gonna give that a mix with a spoon and then just start dotting them all over the dough. Like so, and spread that around and just kind of start pushing it in inside the dough, just like that. Just fold that dough over. Spread that out again. I know it looks messy right now, but believe me, it is so good when I am done and it comes out of the oven, I promise. Okay, so once you've got that layer on there, I'm gonna come back and add some more of that raspberry jam, just in dollops. And kind of mush that around as well. If you love like raspberry pastries, you are going to love this dessert. And my oven beeper just went off, which means this is ready to go into the oven. This goes into a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, take a look at that. It looks so nice. I've got a cup of powdered sugar and just a little bit of whole milk. I'm gonna make a quick glaze. Give this a stir. Once this is combined, you're just going to pour this all over these raspberry fritters. Perfect weekend brunch kind of bakery dish. Pour this all over the top. You can kind of smooth this around if you want. Go ahead and give this a slice and a taste test. For making these breakfast danishes. Oh my goodness, take a look at all of the raspberry that's on the inside. Let me do a taste test. Wow. Okay, let me get it off the knife so I don't cut myself. Take that bite. Perfect breakfast danish. If you like apple fritters, try a raspberry one. Make this. It's so, so good.